Hey guys, you guys are in for a good one today because I'm going to be tearing down this Coby soundbar. Yeah, I'm going to find out how this bad boy ticks. And as always, guys, you're in charge. Thumbs up if you like, thumbs down if you don't. Now let's get into the action here. Now the first thing I'm going to do is see what kind of screw it uses, but I'm going to guess it's Phillips head because that's what they all use for some reason. Everything so far, Phillips. And I was right. Phillips head screws in here. Phillips head screw on the speaker right here. Well, I have to take these covers off. See, but let me pry this one off. Yep, Phillips head screws in here. As you guys, I hope you guys can see that. But there's Phillips head screws in here. Now, looks like they have this glued down. Yes, they do. They have it glued down. There we go. But I got it though. Took it right off. This was the main control panel in the front. Alright, so we'll get back to that later. But let's get to the main here. Take the legs off. 1, 2, 4 legs. And I'm out of camera shot here. Let me get back in the shot. Here we go. 3. Got the 4th leg here. I'll take this speaker here on the bottom off. There we go. And these are screwed right into the wood, so it's like different from most of them. Usually everything's screwed down into plastic. Alright. Get that off. Okay. Alright. Get this cover off the speaker here. Jeez. Work with me, will you? A lot of screws here, so I'm trying to get it as fast as I can. I don't want the video to be like 20 minutes. Here's the cover off the speaker. So, what's this? Where they hide your secret screws. Right underneath these little pads here. Where the screws are. Okay. Right. Hopefully I'll get somewhere when I take these off. There's so many screws everywhere on here. I see all the screws for the speakers, but I want to find the screws to open the box. So far, I haven't got to that part yet. Hopefully, I can find how to get this box apart here. Okay, I can get back here. Let's try to take this unit off here in the back. Still haven't got anything to take this main box apart. But if I can just get the control unit, you guys can see how this thing is set up here. So hopefully I can get this out here. Alright, getting there. Oh, there we go. Now we're on to something. Here we are. See, most of the other screws are just for speakers. And I don't want to take off 8 speakers so you guys can see me taking off speakers for 15, 20 minutes. I'm not going to do that to you guys. I want to get to the control unit so you guys can see. Alright. I got this connector disconnected right here. Alright, let me get all these screws out of the way. Alright. Maybe more connectors. They have these things all glued down, but I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to try to get a good shot with you guys. Alright, you guys. Yeah. Alright, now I hope you guys can see this. I'm going to a little bit more, but these are capacitors. Let me see, let me count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. There's like 22 capacitors in here, at least. They're everywhere. And that's just for the, because of the stereo, the voltage or amps it uses, that gives it the kick. Wow. Yeah, these capacitors are everywhere. Just all over the entire board. It's amazing. I've never seen so many capacitors in one device before. Ah, here's the main thing right here. This is what I was looking for. Here we go. This is why I went through all that. The camera don't fall over, but let me see if I can get zoom in some more, guys. Alright, alright, I think I got a good view of it. If you guys can see it. Now we're starting to see some integrated circuits. I hope you guys are seeing this clearly. Okay. Then you got the multi-layered ceramic transistors. Here. Another transistor up here. So there's a lot of transistors all over this and integrated circuits. Okay. All over this board. But that's basically what it's made up of. Integrated circuits, transistors, multi-layer ceramic transistors, and then in the front, which you guys saw earlier, capacitors. Capacitors everywhere. Okay, and a few resistors, but that's what this main unit's made up of, and all the speakers. Now, I'm gonna do one speaker, take a speaker out for you guys. I don't want to end my video without taking the speaker out, so you guys can see. Okay, because that would just but the box, I can't take the box apart. That's just the way they designed it. So, but here's the speaker, guys. It says 30 watt on the back here. But that's it. I hope it was very informative to you guys, and I hope it helped you see what a, just a normal sound bar looks like. Not one of the advanced ones. This is just a regular sound bar. It's not really expensive, and I hope it helps you. Okay, thank you for watching my videos, guys. Bye bye.